Welcome to Sliver and Bite TV. Let's make a nutritious and healthy banana bread. Banana bread can be extremely unhealthy, what with the saturated fat, sugar, and empty calories, which is in the main ingredient, the plain/all-purpose flour. It is super easy to choose alternatives for these ingredients. Instead of the sugar, I'm using honey. Instead of the all-purpose flour, I'm using almond flour. And instead of butter, I'm using olive oil. At this stage, you have seen me mash my over-ripened bananas, added in the honey and now the vanilla extract. Incoming, we have the olive oil. I have opted for a light tasting olive oil. Whilst it does lower the nutritional value, it still is much better than butter. And lastly, for the wet ingredients, we have the room temperature eggs. And you use room temperature eggs because 1, it mixes better into your ingredients, and 2, there are no cold areas, which makes for even baking. Mix these ingredients together very well. This will be the last time you mix vigorously. Now we're starting with the dry ingredients: baking soda, baking powder, a pinch of salt, some ground cinnamon and ground cloves. If you head to the sliverandbite.com.au website, you will be able to see the recipe card for this fit and healthy banana bread and learn all of the benefits to these ingredients. Tip half of the almond flour into the wet ingredients and mix together gently, making sure that you have all of the ingredients fully incorporated. And we mix the almond flour through gently so it doesn't deflate once we take it out of the oven. If you are looking for more healthy recipes, head to sliverandbite.com.au, and in the drop-down menu, you will see a tab that is named Fit and Healthy Recipes. Click and you will see either 6 or 600 recipes, depending on when you're joining me. And remember, if you are on a weight loss journey, make sure you're doing it for you. Now that is mixed thoroughly, we are putting that in a pre-lined 5 by 9 inch bread tin. And you would have your oven preheated to 175 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. And that is into the oven for 50 minutes. At the 45-minute mark, do use a skewer just to double check, and if it comes out clean, you want to take it out straight away. Once you have it out of the oven, leave it on a cooling rack for 10 minutes before removing it from the tin. It will still be quite flimsy, so you want to just let it rest for a moment. Then take it out to ensure that it doesn't sweat, because you don't want it to get wet. Remove the baking paper. Let it cool for at least half an hour before cutting into it. Like anything, the flavors do develop overnight. So let it cool completely and then individually wrap or put into an airtight container, ready to have a guilt-free snack. Thank you for joining me today and learning how to make a fit and healthy version of banana bread. Don't forget to check out sliverandbite.com.au and like, subscribe and share this video. See you soon.